Semiconductors have been volatile, but it seems like there are multiple semi stories. There's momentum, and then there are some names that are big and aren't moving as much, right?
Good morning, John. Thanks for having me. Yeah, I think semiconductors are in this very interesting tug of war where you have a very strong global economy. You have just unprecedented demand for electronics, whether it's 5G smartphones or PCs or gaming or cloud computing. And you have a group of companies that's very consolidated with a great pricing power. But on the other hand, there is also a sense that maybe trends are decelerating and that the sector has peaked, right? It has tripled in the last few years. So I think it's that interesting tug of war. But the key thing is exactly as you mentioned, that it is not just one sector, that there are multiple end markets and multiple interesting companies who are benefiting from these various end markets.
Vivek, the biggest thing that, from a macro, big picture perspective that's concerning me lately is, are we going to end up with oversupply again? I was seeing headlines about South Korea saying that they're going to pour $450 billion into new fabs. We've got the announcements out of Intel and TSMC and others about capacity here in the U.S. I mean, 5 years from now, are we going to be swimming in chips?
5 years from now is a very long time in technology, but we do know that the complexity in making these chips, the capital requirements in making these chips is going up significantly. And the time that it takes to get a machine from an Applied Materials or an ASML is well over a year right now. So I think the capacity is going to come online in a lot more disciplined fashion. The other thing to keep in mind is look at how broad-based the drivers are. Whether you look at 5G smartphones, whether you look at cloud computing and gaming, that there is a build out of this infrastructure that requires semiconductors in these key areas. And then on top of it, you also have very strong demand in industrial and automotive markets. So broad-based demand, very disciplined supply that is coming online. So at least for the next 2 to 3 years, I think we are in actually very good shape.
And Internet of Things. Vivek, I'm looking at your picks. I don't see Intel. Can I read into that? Any skepticism or hesitation regarding Pat Gelsinger's turnaround plans?
Yeah, thanks, Idra. Yeah, so we have a cautious view on Intel. I do believe that there is absolutely a need to have more manufacturing here in the U.S. But I think Intel faces two challenges. First, in their core business, they already have 90% market share in data center. And when you have a very strong competitor like AMD and a very strong competitor in NVIDIA, just makes it very hard to sustain that kind of market share. And then on the foundry side, we are very skeptical that Intel will find a way to really attract people who are competitors today to come and join a company which has really no real background in making these products for other customers. So we are cautious on Intel stock, and we prefer NVIDIA and AMD instead.